It's called the 790 Adventure. And as you would expect from KTM, it isn't slow. This dual sport midsize adventure motorcycle can generate a massive 95 horsepower. And as you'd also expect from an Austrian motorcycle, it isn't cheap. It costs 957,000 Philippine pesos, and this base model is 899,000. So if this is gonna be your first real adventure bike, at that price, it better be good.
In my head. Yeah.
Wait. Teka lang. This bike, di na 957,000 yung bike na to. The new KTM 790 model lineup starts at 599,000 with the 790 Duke. And this base model Adventure is only 699,000. And this Adventure R is only 749,000. And why the price drop? The KTM 790 model series are now made in the Philippines. Opo, gawang Pinoy. Dito lang sa Binyan, Laguna yung ginagawa. So meron tayong sariling factory. And thanks to the partnership with Ayala and IMI, KTM Austria trusted the Filipino craftsmanship para i-assemble yung premium bike nila. And yes, hindi lang para sa atin. We're gonna export the KTM 790 Adventure bikes to our neighbor countries. Okay, special mention din lang. You know, for a European bike, napakadaling hanapin ang neutral ng bike na to. The engine is an all-new liquid-cooled parallel twin 799cc DOHC 8-valve engine. It now uses a smoother 435-degree firing order to mimic the feel of the 75-degree L-twin of the Super Duke. But this engine is much smoother with two counterbalancers to keep the vibrations down. Oh, so this engine is a parallel twin. So traditionally, mga KTM big bikes, 75-degree L-twin, so the engine siya. Dati nandito yung isang engine bank, and nandito yung isa. So mas papayat na dito sa legs. And another advantage is the heat. So hindi na siya mainit sa legs. So nandito na lahat ng engine niya. Sa harap, yung radiator niya. So parallel twin na siya. Tapos yung crankshaft niya, yung kakaiba yung firing order niya para smooth yung kapit niya sa off-road. So magandang torque and magandang power delivery. And while the KTM 790 Adventure follows the low center of gravity recipe used by famous adventure bikes, you can immediately notice that this bike looks a little bit different. The single unit 20-liter fuel tank is split into two, located at the bottom of the motorcycle. The fuel tank is 20-liter fuel tank. Low center of gravity. Hindi mo maramdaman yung bigat ng bike nila kahit full tank. Parang sobrang gaan kasi nasa baba yung fuel tank. And another feature is the polymer bodywork. So this one, ito, hindi siya painted. So when you crash it, lalo ito yung mga black, na pag natumba mo, so parang bago pa rin. Pag nag-scratch, white pa rin yung loob niya. So molded siyang white talaga. So if orange talaga yung plastic niya, hindi siya painted. So bibili ka lang ng parts, marami na bibili naman online kahit aftermarket na plastic parts pag natumba. So this bike designed talaga sa off-road. Fuel tank is here, it's guarded by a plastic protector. So ang design niya replaceable talaga siya. Then magagasgas lang siya and magka-crack pag cement lang. So siya yung mag-absorb ng impact. You can buy aluminum crash guards pero the idea is save weight, which is my favorite. Hindi siya mabigat. And protected yung fuel tank niya with polymer plastic. The wheels, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, tubeless. WP suspension with WP steering dampers to fight speed wobbles. This is competition stuff. And the R version has a longer travel and a fully adjustable suspension, 240mm of travel.
The ride comfort is so relaxing. Tama-tama lang yung height ng handlebars, nakaka-relax siya. Tapos windshield mataas, adjustable. So, hindi na sa stress yung neck ko sa high speed. Usually, naglalagay ako earplug sa tenga para hindi siya masyadong malakas sa wind noise. Napakaswabe ng motor na to. Medyo nakakalito lang yung fuel gauge kasi nasa bottom half lang yung sensor niya. So, yun lang yung pinapakita niya. So, depends kung nakalinya yung motor, medyo nakahiga ka. Pero ganun, back to old school tayo. Kasi yung mga old school na big bike naman talaga, walang fuel gauge eh. So, hinihintay ko na lang umilaw.
Bait, tinesting ko siya sa off-road. Actually, dinaan ko siya sa hooks. Sobra. Yung clearance na sakto lang, so hindi siya sumasayad. Tapos, yung sa flat track naman, para alam may dalang 390, sobrang gaang, sobrang friendly umandar. Tsaka yung low end niya, hindi ka masyadong mabibigla.
So these are some features of the KTM 790 Adventure that I like. So first of all, yung susi, the seat is adjustable height. Dalawa yung height niya. So buksan muna natin to. Back seat. Then you can adjust the seat height without any tools. So naka low seat height siya ngayon. Then hilahin mo lang konti, tapos yan, mataas na siya ulit. See? Then low seat para sa mga traffic. There, low seat, kita mo. Yan yung difference. Mas mababa na siya. So inside, pakita ko lang yung loob. So this the mounting points. Merong high and low. So this one's high and low. Mas malalim siya. So lalagay ko sa low seat height para abot ko. 5'9" ako, wala akong problema sa height ng bike na to. So easy. Isang kamay lang. And malaki yung foot peg niya. And of course, it has quick shifter. So yung quick shifter niya, may sensor siya dito. Pag nag-move siya. Then this one, Adventure S, dalawa yung upuan. So separate, split seat. So para komportable sa rider, may sandalan dito and sa passenger. Sa 790 Adventure R naman, para motocross yung upuan. So diretso siya. The handlebar has 2 holes, so you can forward and backward. Ngayon naka-backward siya. Then of course you can move the tilt. So it's 6 different positions for the handlebars. Handguards are standard. Adjustable clutch lever. Yan, cable clutch lever. And this one, it's also adjustable brake lever. The controls are very basic. Napakadaling control. And so makikita mo yung date, yung trip 1, trip 2, fuel consumption average speed, trip time, fuel range, and ambient temperature, time. KTM My Ride. This one, you can connect it to your phone through Bluetooth. So yan, meron Bluetooth icon. It has a power assisted slipper clutch. And meron din siyang KTM engine brake control. So electronically assisted siya. So hindi siya biglang mag-wild sa downshift. So para smooth yung downshift. And of course, ito sa 12-volt socket. I see I have no problems with my foot. Ngayon nakaapak ako sa bangketa. On the other side, flat foot. No problems at all. I'm using the low seat configuration. 790R, nakita nyo naman. Yung Adventure R, mataas talaga siya. Tsaka itong paalam. So, I like the Adventure R better kasi flat yung upuan niya. So, pwede ako umurong sa likod. Pwede ako upo sa likod. Then, mataas yung suspension niya. And mahaba yung suspension travel. 240mm. So, and I like yung forma ng gulong niya. It's using the Karoo tires. And off-road talaga yung Adventure R. So it really depends. I think touring, this bike is really perfect. And kahit off-road, nakita nyo naman ginamit natin to sa off-road. And relax siya, low seat height. Sa first day ng GCQ, kating-kating na talaga ako. Pwede na ako ride pero ingat pa rin ako. Kaya highway lang.
So, bala ko sana mag-Luzon loop, pero baka may checkpoint. So now, akit tayo ng NLEX, SETEX, TPLEX, then umikot-ikot lang tayo sa Pampanga, Nueva Ecija. Then, kung yari, adventure riding. So, umikot din tayo sa Manila, sa Luneta.
Ito tayo sa Rizal Monument. Ayan. Picture.
Sa Quiapo, sa Marilake.
So, social distancing pa rin, ano. Pero yan, biyahe na ulit, ride na ulit.
And then, konting off-road. Sa 20-liter fuel tank, nakaikot-ikot ako ng mga around 430 to 440 kilometers in 1 week. Halong off-road, highway, city, shooting ng motor. So, lumalabas yung mga 23 kilometers per liter yung average. Since bawal din yung dine-in, nagbaon muna tayo ng pagkain tsaka tubig. Tsaka nagtitipid din ako eh.
Park muna tayo. Lapit na tayo sa Manila. So, kain muna tayo. Baon. So, may 4 hours tayo na biyahe. Pahinga muna ulit tayo. Kasi medyo chill-chill lang naman tayo. Wala tayong hinahabol na oras.
In my head. Yeah.
Make no mistake, this is a highly competitive market for adventure bikes. Sila yung parang SUV market ng mga motor. Lahat ng brand merong adventure bikes, but this KTM Adventure is an all-around easy-to-use motorcycle. Napakaangas pa ng itsura. The KTM 790 isn't just high-tech, nor is just a high-performance, well-engineered motorcycle. The KTM 790 Adventure is an absolute proof that we can export more high-quality vehicles with Filipino craftsmanship. The future looks promising, and it's gonna be made in the Philippines.
In my head.